Dear NDA aspirants, the dates for NDA 1 and NDA 2 written exam has been fixed for 6th of September. We are aware that the government has laid an embargo on running of educational institutions till the 15th of August. Hence, we will not be in a position to run offline courses for you for these two particular exams. Hence, we have decided to run online courses for NDA 1 and NDA 2 written preparation. The duration of the course will be 1 month, that is 120 lectures, which otherwise will translate into about 5 weeks. So the first course will commence on 22nd of June. The schedule of day's work will be as follows. Every day, 1 hour will be allotted to every major subject like maths, English, general studies and sciences. At the end of the day's work, you will be sent a PDF of the study material along with certain assignments that you can do at your own home. After the 5 weeks course is over, you will be getting a weekly mock test at home which you can practice, and also it will give you an idea of your progress as you work on your own at home after this 5 weeks course is over. Now the admission for this course will be on first come first served basis. We do not intend to increase the size of this batch to more than 30 to 35. Hence, I would request anyone who's keen to join the online session with us for NDA written preparation to immediately apply. All you need to do is call up on the mobile number of Lieutenant Vijay Kumar. His number is 9465176 So you call up on this number and enroll yourself for the NDA written exam, and the course will commence on 22nd of June, which is next to next Monday. So looking forward to interact with you online for the NDA written preparation. All the best. See you soon. God bless you.